Hey, have you seen a drone recently? If you have, you're not alone. As the 21st century progresses, we will see a lot more. UAVs or drones are no more a shock to bystanders at events or on a sunny afternoon in the city center. Drones, which have long been used in battle, are gaining popularity among academics, as well as both professional and amateur filmmakers. A team of scholars from multiple Lithuanian universities used UAV technology to detect changes in building facades against a dense urban backdrop. Here in this video, I'm going to discuss how artificial intelligence can help prevent illegal construction. Hello, my name is Sina Shariati. I make people feel confident about machine learning work. If you are a beginner, you can understand the machine learning concept in easy language. And if you are expert, you can refresh your knowledge here. Without wasting time, let's jump in. There are a growing number of new opportunities to acquire such data with the emergence of digitized cities and digital twins, which allow for the monitoring of various changes in buildings, both external and interior. Outside image processing in European metropolitan areas is difficult owing to numerous obstructions to perspectives such as wires, overhangs, poles, and other building features, as well as constantly shifting weather patterns altering imaginary quality. The facade of buildings in Vilnius Old Town and neighboring regions were studied by a team of scholars. The city has a particular architectural style. The city's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage. The site with buildings ranging in style from cathedral spires to cutting-edge glass constructions. This is also what motivated scholars to investigate whether algorithms could work across such a wide range of styles. Such a difficulty necessitates the adoption of sophisticated signal processing technologies based on artificial intelligence to detect, identify, and categorize buildings in the city's overall background. First, we will look into drone assessment of the technical condition of buildings. Then, later in the video, we will see how overcrowded cities are a problem. The architectural style is the building's identity. This same architectural phase that permits the structure to be classified or styled. Consider what might happen if a piece of a historic building's facade in Old Town was abruptly glazed or redecorated in an avant-garde manner. A passing drone would notice such a change. As the drone flies across the city photographing building facades, the data is wirelessly transmitted to a computing platform that can detect what type of facade a specific building has. Water penetration through seams, cracks in the decor or structure, discoloration of facade elements, or potentially even dents in the surfaces. All of these determine the classification of a building and could potentially allow for a fairly accurate and automated assessment. The parts monitored by the drone can be analyzed independently of the facade as a whole, and their durability can be assessed by comparing the changes both visually and in terms of the building's design documentation, construction materials, and the different extent and severity of the damage. With that now, let's shift our focus to how an overcrowded city is a challenge. The study's goal is to detect the borders of a building's facade in the face of changing weather and life circumstances, as well as to define its true style based on facade taxonomy. The task difficulty is determined by the shape of the building's facade, natural circumstances, and the urban context. A crowded metropolis is the most difficult assignment for the algorithm to extract usable information from, as buildings in city centers or ancient towns are frequently concealed by numerous items such as cables, trees, and even festive decorations and ads. Despite this, the UAVs can get a thorough high-quality photograph of the facade from every aspect. Earlier, one could only identify buildings with a basic facade construction using crude mathematical models. Furthermore, The buildings to be classed have to be distinct from one another, meaning not share any common walls or be identifiable architecture. Locating buildings with identical facade structures presents several challenges. The contours of facade elements are difficult to identify due to distance and environmental conditions, and false contours can be generated by shadows or reflections, as well as by camera angle and lens distortion. Simply obtaining the proper form does not ensure that subsequent categorization would be effective. Drone images of the urban landscape may also be used to discover flaws in historic structures and urban heritage sites, as well as to plan urban growth. Because it is impossible to view the top from the base, this is the really promising technique for monitoring high-rise structures and apartment complexes. To more, you can check out the research published by the journal Electronics. This video information is adapted from a study done by scholars in Kansas, the University of Technology. Well, this brings an end to this video, but I will come back with some new and interesting videos of machine learning in the future. Till then, make sure that you like the video and do share your views and opinions about the video in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel to get videos regularly, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you at the next one. Until then, keep learning and stay safe. Bye.